Hello everyone, my name is Tanushri Roy. Here is my first task for JRIP November 2020. The task is about the prediction using decision tree algorithm. The purpose of this task is if we feed any new data to this classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. So at the start of this program, we have to import all the important libraries. Then we have to read the data set, and here I have shown the top 5 rows of our data set to get an idea about the data. There are 150 entries and 6 columns. Now here I have described the data set. Now we have to split the data set into two parts, features and targets. Here X contains the main features and Y contains the targeted features. Now our data set looks like this. Now the time for data cleansing, we have to clean data by finding the null values. I plotted the data with respect to the features. Now data has been defined in training data set and testing data set. Here we have to choose the criteria for calculating information gain. There are two well-known methods for decision tree. Number one is Gini and number two is entropy. In this assignment, Gini has been chosen as it calculates impurities more precisely. Here is the building of model, we called it. At first, I have built the model on training data set and predicted the value of the training data set. Accuracy of the training data is 100%, and I have printed the confusion matrix and classification report also. By this result, we can say that the training data set can predict the classifier 100% accurately. Prediction of testing data set. Similarly, I have calculated the accuracy of testing data set also. Accuracy of our testing data is 95.56% approximately. Now this is the time for fitting and visualizing the decision tree. I have used GraphViz for this. So in this tree, we can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaf nodes, and we can download the tree also by this code, by this command, as a PDF file. So in this classifier, if we feed a new data, it will able to predict accordingly the right class. Thank you so much.